In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up for a Xero account step by step. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, accountant, or just getting started with bookkeeping, Xero is one of the most popular cloud accounting platforms available in 2026. I'll walk you through the entire sign-up process, from entering your details to activating your account and completing the setup wizard. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to xero.com/signup. This will take you directly to the Xero registration page. Once the page loads, you'll see a form asking for your basic details. Start by entering your first name and last name in the required fields. Next, type in your email address. Make sure you use an email address you have access to, because you'll need to verify it in just a moment. After that, enter your phone number. Double-check all the information to ensure everything is accurate. Below the form fields, you'll see a checkbox asking you to agree to Xero's terms of use and privacy notice. Take a moment to review them if you'd like, then check the box to confirm your agreement. Once everything is filled out correctly, click the green button that says Next Confirmation. Xero will now process your request and send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Now, open a new tab and go to your email inbox. Look for an email from Xero. If you don't see it in your main inbox, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Open the email and click on the link that says, Yes, it's me. Let's get started. This link will verify your email address and take you to the next step of the registration process. You'll now be prompted to create a password for your Xero account. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number. For better security, I recommend using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've created a strong password, click on Activate Your Account. Congratulations, your Xero account is now officially active. After activation, Xero will guide you through a setup wizard. This part is important because it helps customize the platform for your business. First, enter your business name exactly as you want it to appear on invoices and reports. Next, select your industry from the drop-down menu. Choosing the correct industry helps Xero tailor certain features and default settings to better suit your business type. You'll also be asked whether you have employees. Answer this question accurately, as it can affect payroll features and recommendations inside your account. Continue following the on-screen instructions, filling in any additional business details requested. The setup wizard is straightforward and only takes a few minutes to complete. Once you finish the setup process, you'll be taken to your Xero dashboard. From here, you can start adding bank accounts, creating invoices, connecting payment services, and exploring all the accounting tools Xero offers. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for a Xero account and completed the initial setup. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.